The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall skilla! Alright viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall skilla. I am here again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Now in this video, I'm going to put together and present to you pieces of videos that shows what happened when police officers from within the country of Guyana raided a house that is located somewhere within the country of Guyana. Some places on social media, it is said that these pieces of videos shows what happened when police officers went inside of a house that is located somewhere within the country of Guyana. Now viewers and subscribers, I edited these pieces of videos to make this video that I'm doing as family friendly as possible. You see what I'm saying to you? And I do not have any confirmed information as to exactly when these videos have been recorded, nor do I have any confirmed information as to exactly where within the country of Guyana these videos have been recorded. But however, I'm going to present these videos to you so that you can take a look at these pieces of videos, and you can also let me know what to think about these pieces of videos that are circulating on social media. You don't know me, Dancehall skilla. I'm only here to keep you up to date and posted and let you know what's going on. Alright? So after I present these videos to you, my viewers and subscribers, I'm going to talk to you a little bit more about these videos, right? That's after I present these videos to you. Now, some of the scenes in these pieces of videos might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised, alright? Now, here are the pieces of videos. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Yeah, they're breaking and cheating. Yeah. Going right there.
Pass a gun.
Pass a gun. Where a gun now, a gun could do.
Pass a gun.
I'm me for it.
You select the gun, not a sword.
Pass sword. I'm pass before me.
Please don't harass my husband because he can't walk properly. Can't Hey, you can't be pushing people like that.
Come for search a job.
But search, no nobody stopping here from search. Yeah, if I'm videoing,
People phone by.
I got no who's yeah, jumping me out. But I'll tell me who's that.
Watch me up, cause the last time they broke up me fucking phone, I go fire for them. So they could break it up.
We living in here.
Please make sure you left all of the things them when you're going out. Good. No, you search. The entry is now we fucking window. I can't.
Me never know who's them. I mean, show me no ID. Nobody show me no ID. Who's here? We are doing in here. Me want no uniform. Me want no who's here, buddy. Me ID yourself. Me thief fuck me police. They shoot me and rob me. I get shoot. There's 5 gold chain to take off from fucking me neck. So y'all is got no who's the thief fuck it here. I got here and thief fuck with the fucking police. Y'all know who shoot me then? Y'all know who shoot me? They shoot me and take 5 chain off me there. A gunshot again. Me foot break, I see scotch and walk it, but y'all bull rushing me on a clutch. I got 1 foot. Why could do that with 1 foot? Tell me now, I go like far for y'all, boy. Y'all know y'all doing fucking me. Y'all come in me house with a 1 foot, my y'all fucking up. Me foot break. You don't see that? Y'all doing me that for, you do nothing. What y'all want to do? You come fighting me from before jump between the window. That kind of thing. Why do? Y'all tell me don't move, I stand up right in front of you. Please fuck more, y'all want blood from me. I nervous, I'm not nervous. The way you come and see a fucking van load of police in front of you. What you gonna do? I can't fight me, they me right. I know about videoing. Nobody can tell me don't video. The people complain and tell me there's my right must video the police when they come by me. It's 8 or 9 times for the year now, sir. Y'all don't come and 3 times already. I'm going to complain for y'all. I'm going far for y'all, mother squad by. Me playing now. I'm going far for y'all. Y'all tell me come on now. Y'all done violate me, buddy. Y'all done violate me. Y'all violate. I live in here. I live in here, bro. I live in here. I live in here, buddy. I live in here. I live in here. Yeah, big bro. I hear how you're talking. But how you meet your mouse, big bro? Police don't see me when you're coming here.
Alright, please. Don't details from using it. Right, that's an offense.
Don't cuss.
You get passion everywhere with your vex, but you can't cuss.
Police jump to me when I'm fighting me, beating me up in me house by. Just a jive.
Attack you first and then Clark.
Beating me.
The two of them attack
Put me
you
phone.
before.
And me foot break, but then why could do this man with the break foot? Nothing.
Drop.
Ain't got nothing right. These men come and set a little chair. I come fuck around me chair and them.
Again.
What are you doing? Buddy, I always gonna be able to chair and sex chair again, buddy. Sex chair again. What me baby? What? Sex chair again. You have violated me, buddy. You have violated me, buddy. You have violated me, buddy. You have violated me. I know you are killing me. Why do just say I'm going to break foot?
It's how we say that so.
Because they
know.
Come by drive and through the window.
Them come to me window. To this window the police come. I know it's come to the
And then the
window.
other one push the door.
Anybody else?
Excuse me, man.
No, nobody.
Somebody else in front here. Where she going to go?
Push yourself and see. I'm on there writing. I ain't blocking that. No way.
To the window, they come to the window. All the police coming to me window. To the window. Going straight to the complaining section. Going to do the foreign affairs for them.
Come, go talk. Kiana, bring a slipper for me quick, man.
Going foreign affairs for these here, boy. Fire for these ones. That man knocked me and assault me. I break foot man, the police assault.
Pass a gun.
I was going to break up my phone. Watch how they break up my phone. Watch how my phone crack up. 100 and something thousand they crack up it. Why I know you got to get back my phone? I ain't that under 100 and something thousand. This banner fighting me and crack up me face.
No, the nobody in there. Let me check.
108,000 for this estate. Why I know though? Because you see what? That's what brother do to me phone, buddy. 108 grand for me phone. No, there's an estate in no blood. Yeah, buddy, that man violate me, buddy. I want to open for you coming. This man jump to me and then start gun charging me. What you, buddy? Me like that, buddy. All the time for the year, I can show you video in my phone and tell me police come and we open. How the buddy? If I got stop and you tell me he's supposed to get no boss, buddy. Don't say what he's about to try to do me. Bear cow by business.
Get children in the place.
They break up my phone. Watch out, they break up my phone and fighting me. Jump to me way now, come in my house, right, brother? And break up my phone, 160,000 for my phone. The gate open, me answer the door, it's already going to target to this man. This man jump to the fence and break my phone, brother. What you say, break out? I mean, want to open the door. My foot break, how fast it can move. The same red one break up my phone next to you, know. Yeah, and another black one, I get it on the video, you know. Alright, brother, I go and put on Facebook, I go far for that. I come here, you picture. Me play with them, you know. Going far for them. I'm violating me, buddy. After violate me, that's the guy. The mad man. Good.
One time, front of the white, one went by Johnson, so many red.
Alright, so there you have it, viewers and subscribers. Pieces of videos that shows what happened when police officers from within the country of Guyana raided a house that is located somewhere within the country that is known as Guyana. Now, viewers and subscribers, it's when it comes down to videos that shows when police officers raided a house, or police officers arrest a person, or police officers detained a person, or so forth. In my point of view, some of the comments that I saw on social media about those types of videos, they are almost similar. You see me? Almost. So therefore, I'm just going to ask you these questions. Based on some of the things that had been shown and said in these pieces of videos that I presented to you. See? Do you think that these police officers could have dealt with the situation better, or do you think that these police officers had dealt with the situation as best as they could? You see me? You can also let me know what you think overall about these pieces of videos that I presented to you. You see me? See, because some of the comments that have been made on social media about these pieces of videos gave me the understanding that some persons are saying that those police officers shown in these pieces of videos that I presented to you could have dealt with the situation better. And some of the comments that have been made on social media about these pieces of videos that I presented to you gave me the understanding that some persons are saying that the police officers are just doing their job. See me? Some of the comments also gave me the understanding that some persons agreed with some of the things that those police officers had done. You see? So, viewers and subscribers, in my point of view, when it comes on to social media, I have never seen with my own eyes where everyone agreed to the same thing. I have never seen that. I'm telling you my experience when it comes on to being on social media. You see me? I have never seen that. See, but if you, my viewers and subscribers, have seen that, you can let me know what you think. Alright? Alright, so here's where I'm going to leave it, viewers and subscribers. Let me know what you think about the pieces of videos that I presented to you. You don't know me, Dancehall Skilla. I'm only here to keep you up to date and posted and let you know what's going on. See? So until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. That's it.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Yeah, man. Hey, yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.